Loading print ribbons and materials into your BradyPrinter i3300 is fast and easy. First, open the top cover and drop the printer head by pressing on the yellow latch. Orient the Brady logo on your ribbon cartridge so that it is upright and apply gentle finger pressure to snap it into place. Next, open the material guides and insert your spool with the material coming up and over the top. Pull the tail of your material down to the black rubber platen roller and pinch the guides back together. When using continuous material, as seen here, you will need to lower the brush bar into place. For die cut materials, leave the brush bar in the up position. Close the print head with firm pressure until you hear the latch click, and then lower the outer cover. The printer will automatically calibrate itself to your material and ribbon choice via the Smart Chip technology.